Hello traders, Gary Wagner here. Just after 10:30 in Honolulu, 4:30 in New York. It is Tuesday, April the 2nd, 2019, and this is the Daily Report for Gold and Silver. We do have a mixed bag in the precious metals markets with gold, platinum, and palladium all trading higher on the day and silver trading lower. The key factors that have been prevalent in the market, which is the trade dispute between a hand in being supportive of the precious metals. Let's go to the board. Gold is currently trading up by about $2 today at $12.9620. That's a net change of 0.15%. Silver, as I said, is the only precious metal that is lower on the day, and that is still above $15 per ounce at 1507.5, down about 2.5 cents. Platinum now showing slightly negative slant, down 20 cents at $855.10. And then finally palladium, and we did put a trade recommendation out yesterday to go long palladium, so we'll cover that in detail, but just a little bit under 1400 at $13.9960, putting it up $7.80 on the day. So traders, extremely interesting day today. On today's show, I want to cover in detail two topics. Gold, because I believe we are seeing a setup for a buy trigger or a buy signal. And palladium, which we did recommend going long yesterday. And I want to spend a couple of moments going over the rationale behind issuing that signal. First to gold. Although gold hasn't moved that far, it's currently trading up about $2.30. $12.9650. What is most important to me is that it effectively has closed above $12.9160, and that of course is the 0.38% retracement, and I believe that that is a pretty critical place. Of course, when this market hit the apex of the year right up here, in which the market traded to approximately $13.50 and came down, it far exceeded the 0.38% retracement that came in and actually went to the longer of the two data sets. It's about a 0.4445 if we look at this short data set from 1196 up to 1350. It came back up, it traded over the 0.23, and as it sold off, you can see that over the last 4 trading days, we have seen this particular price point become extremely well defined as support. Now it's still above the 100-day, still below the 50-day, and it does appear as though it is A, forming a base, and B, looking to move higher. Of course, I will send out a special trade alert to that effect once we trigger a buy signal. And traders, we did issue a buy recommendation for palladium yesterday. Palladium is currently hovering right at around $1,400 per ounce, but I want to spend a couple of moments and go in a little bit more detail as to what triggered that signal itself. Of course, the pattern itself was a bullish Harami confirmation, and that is this candle right here. But what made this such a defined trade to me is that after hitting this all-time new record top at $1,576.90, it came down with a vengeance for 2 days in a row, losing $100 per day, breaking to the 50-day, then below, and then really finding support at the 100-day moving average. And the fact of the matter is, when you have a sell-off that is this significant on a market that is this hot, that's the time to consider getting into the market. I had a little bit of issues, even though the market had been trending higher, taking a stab at the market before it had a sizable retracement or blow off, because my sense was that could occur at any moment. We got the sell-off, we got a defined market trading, almost $300 lower in a period of about a week. So when we got this bullish Harami confirmation, it seemed to be the best way to go. We are marking ourselves in on the close yesterday, which puts us up about $7.80 on the trade. My recommendation is to maintain your current long palladium position as well as your current stop. We will look to adjust that stop later, but this is a wild market, so there are going to have to be loose stops all the way until hopefully we pull profits. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you as always good trading. We will talk to you tomorrow for another daily update and review. Bye-bye.